we are called the people.
Elite.
I don't know. They're the elite. We can be.
Five Nights at Freddy's?
No.
Oh, and it's Irishman. Hey.
I'm Spartan, and I'm the captain, I guess. But I listen. We can be the. Oh, I know. The infantry.
What?
Okay, the infantry. All right, go hide. We're gonna count to 20.
I don't know what to do there.
I'm not even counting. All right, we're coming.
How are you?
Okay, so.
Do you like your spot?
Huh?
Do you like your spot hiding?
Yeah, we have.
Okay, so we need to take as many down as we can.
There's gonna be one
I'm gonna
life.
go.
There's no holding back today, so
I'm gonna go look for them and find their base, and I'm gonna talk to them, and I'm gonna.
Okay. There's no.
Then I'm gonna come back and report. Okay? Don't tell them in my. Tell me what should I do in my next. Tell me what I should do in my next video in the comments below, please. Oh, it's just the camera guy. It's just the camera guy. It's just the camera guy. So how is it doing?
Good.
I bet you don't know where they are.
They're going through there.
Oh.
See them right now.
Oh. Gonna go talk to them. Look at that awesome motorcycler! Sorry guys, I don't have a... Jeez, they're good. Sorry guys, I don't have a microphone, so I have to speak loud. Sorry it's all lighted up. Sorry guys. Don't shoot the camera, guys! Don't shoot the camera!
Hands up! Hands up! Drop your weapon! Drop it now!
This is a Mexican stand down.
One shot, alright, I thought.
I don't mean to be racist.
Got him. Hey, he got me. Wait, what will
Okay, you guys just need to get tagged.
Where is
Hold on.
There's a bullet for you. Wait, you guys mowed this down? You guys chopped this down? Yeah. Okay.
I don't see him. I see him! I see him! He just ran across. He's going into the shed. He's going where all the cars are.
One down, one more to go. Hey, cameraman, look at all these bullets I have that I get to use.
see him.
It's up there. Plus, I guess, shout out to whoever made this, because look. You can hold one more bullet, but that bullet's in my mouth.
Shout out to you, whoever made this gun. Oh, and if you haven't, go check out my other video. Holy crap. I never knew being a camera guy would be so hard.
Grenade! Hide in the shed! Let's bring them out nice and quiet!
So, how do you like this team?
It's doing good. The one that kills everyone.
No, he ain't.
Bring him out! Some come out. Or come in. Or just go around.
He ain't in the shed. He snuck away. He's not in the shed. Hey, guys. I'm gonna sit right here for a while. So, like, stay in this area. Okay? Okay. No, I'll go to there.
When you start shooting. I'm gonna go down this area.
Okay.
We're gonna stay in a good spot, okay?
Oh,
Fire on my command.
Jeez.
Unless you see him and I don't.
jeez, I'm scared.
Whenever you see him, actually just shoot when you have him in your sights. You better be pointing the camera at me.
There you go.
Hey guys,
Hold on. It's on full.
hopefully no one dies today because I've already killed one guy, but I want to find that other guy.
Dun, dun, dun.
2 o'clock! 2 o'clock! I got one in my sights! He's running that way. He was in the shed. I saw him. He was in the shed. He was hiding in the shed. Man, we don't look hard enough. This is gonna be a great video.
I see him. Oh, nope. That's your mom.
Alright, let's go!
I'll go around. I see him! He's right there! He's trying to escape! Yes!
Victory is ours!
High five.
Isaac, are you on my team?
Whew. We won, dude.
Victory is ours! I shot him